Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. I have a little tutorial for you on the GMC Sierra. This works for the 3500 and 2500 models. We're looking at the 3500 today. It even works on the 1500s. Everything is basically the same. But let's say for some reason you need to leave these power assist steps deployed. I'm going to show you how easy that is to do in the infotainment screen. So we're going to hop inside here real quick. Obviously we need to start the truck up real fast. We're going to go into the screen and find the setting that we need to make this happen. It's actually very simple to do. So we're going to go over here to settings, and then we're going to go to vehicle, and we're going to scroll down here to power assist steps. And what you're going to notice is you have this option right here, move power assist steps. They're set to stow right now. Now they're set to deploy. So let's get back out and I'll show you how this looks. Now, the time has passed where normally that would have gone back underneath the truck. So maybe you need to wash the truck and you're washing those assist steps. And here's something else where this could come in handy. If you're in a parking lot and you're worried about door dings, depending on the height of the vehicle next to you, you can leave those assist steps deployed like that, and the vehicle's door next to you is going to hit the step before it hits your door. Very nice and convenient. I hope that was helpful to you. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you in the next video.